Welcome squad to today's 6-minute, 6-pack ab blasting workout. You can perform absolutely anywhere with no equipment needed. This workout is going to be quick, but it's going to be very intense, and we're going to be targeting the total core with this session. 6 exercises, 50 seconds on, and only 10 seconds of rest. I'm going to be working out alongside with you, so follow alongside with me and get ready to push forward with this session. The first exercise before I set the timer, it's going to be a sit-up with a 1-2 punch. So you're lying back, sit-up, 1-2, back down, 1-2, and bring the intensity for 50 seconds, then we're quickly transitioning into the next movement. Right, 10-second countdown begins now, and let's get into it. Going 3, 2, 1, let's go. Sit-up, 1-2 punch. Throw the breathing, keep pushing. I should throw power into the punch to make the exercise more effective and really rotate around so you're targeting the obliques. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feeling that already, right? The next one is heels to heaven, legs out straight, you place your hands underneath your hips, kick up, hips coming up off the ground. Right, let's go. Push those hips up off. Keep pushing forward. Even if you take a quick second rest, get straight back into it. 20 seconds. Great, 10, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hell of a lot of confidence on this session already. Right, next one is side heel tap. So you're just twisting around to the side like that. Okay, target those obliques. Rotate around. Really feel it in those obliques. Good breathing, let's go. 20 seconds, power through. Let's go. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, halfway. The next one, cross body mountain climbers. Cross the body, okay? Next one. You go slow, or quick, you want. Dig deep. 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Okay. Next one, all I want you to do is regular crunches. So, hand behind the head, coming up like so, elbows to the knee. Feeling the burn. Right, we have about 10 seconds. Dig deep, last few seconds, go. Right, the last one to finish, around the world. So legs are straight, go right up, around, and then back round the opposite way. Okay, you'll probably need to lift your hips up off the ground, push your hands underneath it, and right up and around. Try not to let the legs touch the ground. That is brutal. Right up and around. You place your hands underneath your hips, you need to. 20 seconds. Do not let those legs touch the ground, come on. This is absolutely brutal. Go on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is, one. What a hell of a session. 6 minutes, abs are on fire. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure you leave a comment below, leave this video a thumbs up, and let's keep on pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next session.